Right now, most businesses still run on human coordination. Employees answer emails. Managers schedule meetings. Teams handle customer service, research, and data analysis. But something very different is beginning to emerge. A new type of artificial intelligence called AI agents is starting to automate entire workflows, not just single tasks. Instead of helping with one job, AI agents can plan, execute, and complete multi-step processes on their own. For example, an AI agent can research a topic, write a report, design graphics, schedule social media posts, and send analytics without constant human input. And this is not science fiction. In the last 2 years, companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google have been racing to build the first truly autonomous digital workers. In fact, several businesses are already experimenting with teams of AI agents, running marketing campaigns, customer support systems, and research operations. So in this video, we're going to explore what AI agents actually are, how companies are already using them, the real technologies behind them, and why many experts believe they could transform business by 2030. Let's start with a simple question. What exactly is an AI agent? To understand AI agents, it helps to think about the difference between tools and workers. Most AI systems today are tools. You ask a question. The system gives an answer. But an AI agent behaves more like a digital employee. Instead of responding to a single request, it can set goals, plan tasks, execute actions, evaluate results, adjust strategy, all without needing step-by-step instructions. A simple example might look like this. Imagine telling an AI agent, "Find the best marketing opportunities for our new product." Instead of just giving suggestions, the agent could research market trends, analyze competitor campaigns, write advertising copy, generate graphics, launch test campaigns, analyze performance data, optimize the strategy. All of those steps form a workflow, and AI agents are designed to manage workflows independently. One of the first widely discussed experiments with autonomous AI agents happened in 2023 with a project called AutoGPT. Developers connected large language models with automation tools, allowing AI to perform multi-step tasks without continuous human prompts. The results were imperfect, but incredibly revealing. Researchers discovered that when AI models are connected to search engines, databases, APIs, automation tools, they can perform surprisingly complex work. And this is exactly what companies are now trying to industrialize. Several major technology companies are now investing heavily in AI agents. One of the most prominent is OpenAI. In early demonstrations, OpenAI showed AI systems capable of browsing websites, analyzing documents, and executing multi-step digital tasks. Meanwhile, Anthropic has been working on similar capabilities through its Claude models. Anthropic has focused on making AI systems capable of reasoning through complex instructions and managing longer workflows. Another major player is Google DeepMind. DeepMind researchers have long studied autonomous decision-making systems, originally developed for robotics and game playing. Those ideas are now being applied to digital work environments. In fact, Google researchers have published studies on AI systems capable of planning multi-step actions across digital tools. But perhaps the most interesting developments are happening in startups. Companies like Adept AI are building systems designed specifically to operate software the same way humans do. Instead of writing custom integrations for every application, Adept trains AI to interact with interfaces, clicking buttons, navigating menus, and entering information. In other words, teaching AI to use software exactly like a human employee. This dramatically expands what AI agents can do. While fully autonomous companies don't exist yet, several real-world experiments show what AI agents can already achieve. One example comes from software development. Developers are increasingly using AI coding assistants connected to automation pipelines. A developer might ask an AI agent to analyze a bug report, locate the problematic code, generate a fix, run tests, deploy the update. Much of that process can now be automated. Another example appears in customer service. Many companies already use AI chat systems to answer basic support questions, but new agent-based systems go further. Instead of simply replying to messages, AI agents can look up order details, issue refunds, update customer accounts, escalate complex cases. In some companies, AI systems now handle over half of incoming support requests. A well-known case comes from the e-commerce platform Shopify, where merchants increasingly rely on automated tools to manage customer interactions and marketing campaigns. Another fascinating example involves research tasks. Analysts who once spent hours collecting information from dozens of sources can now use AI systems that automatically search databases, extract key insights, generate summaries, compile reports. This dramatically accelerates research work. One of the most powerful ideas behind AI agents is multi-agent collaboration. Instead of one AI doing everything, multiple specialized agents work together. Imagine a marketing department run by AI. One agent focuses on research, another generates content, another analyzes data, another optimizes advertising campaigns. Together, they function like a digital team. Researchers call this architecture agent ecosystems. Some experimental systems already coordinate dozens of agents working together. Each agent performs a specific role, while a central planner assigns tasks. This mirrors how human organizations operate. The difference is speed. AI agents can analyze data, communicate results, and adjust strategies far faster than human teams. In some experiments, agent systems completed complex workflows in minutes that normally required hours of human work. Despite the excitement, AI agents still face serious limitations. The biggest challenge is reliability. AI systems sometimes produce incorrect information or misunderstand instructions. In simple tasks, this may not matter. But in complex business operations, mistakes can be expensive. Researchers call this problem hallucination, where AI generates confident but incorrect outputs. Another challenge is long-term planning. Many current AI models perform well in short tasks, but struggle with very long workflows. Finally, there is the issue of oversight. Businesses must ensure AI systems follow rules, protect sensitive data, and operate ethically. For this reason, most experts expect AI agents to operate alongside humans, not completely replace them, at least for the foreseeable future. Even with these limitations, the direction of technology is clear. By the end of this decade, many companies may operate very differently. Some startups may run with extremely small teams supported by powerful AI systems. Entrepreneurs could launch businesses where AI agents handle research, marketing, analytics, customer support, operations. Instead of hiring large teams immediately, founders might rely on AI infrastructure to scale. This could lower the cost of starting companies dramatically. Some analysts believe this could lead to an explosion of small, highly automated businesses. But large organizations will also change. Departments that once required dozens of employees may be supported by far smaller teams working alongside AI agents. Human workers will focus more on strategy, creativity, and decision-making. AI will handle much of the operational execution. Artificial intelligence has already transformed how we search for information, write documents, and analyze data. But AI agents represent something bigger. They are not just tools. They are the first step toward autonomous digital workers. Today, the technology is still developing, but the pace of progress is extraordinary. Companies around the world are racing to build systems capable of managing entire workflows. And over the next decade, the businesses that learn how to combine human expertise with AI agents may gain a powerful advantage. The question is no longer whether AI will change how work gets done. The question is how quickly organizations will adapt. If you want to understand the technologies shaping the future of work, subscribe to the Strategy Lab. Because in the coming years, the most valuable skill may be learning how to work with intelligent machines.